What's going on with your girl DepressedComposition? Welcome back to my channel. We're back with Issa Hustle. And the last time we were here, we were trying to get product moving. And since then, Najari has been selling, a little bit of weight to bars and stuff like that. He be going to like houses. He's got a few customers, that keep popping up and coming over here. And you see over there? Yes, Corey. I'm not answering. Corey is getting ready to have a baby. She is looking weird right now. But why are you worrying about a divorce? No divorce here. But yes, she's getting ready to have a baby. They tried for a baby one time, and she got pregnant instantly. So they're getting ready to have a baby. I mean, look at her stomach, you guys. Her stomach is, wow. Like, her stomach is out there. Like, seriously, you guys. And he decided to go all out for his, girl. Najari is over there cooking up a storm, cooking some chili, making what I told him to make. I told him to make apple pie. So he's going all out for Corey, especially during this. Wait a minute. Can you resume making the damn apple pie? Please, thank you. Okay, it's either that or put this away. Like, you can walk around. Like, what is going on with this today? Okay, so let me show you what I did so far. So when it becomes a toddler, I'm gonna try to go through the baby stage. But if I can't go through the baby stage, I'm not even going. I'm going to age him up quick. Like, I'm gonna age him up some sirs. But yeah. Now I dare you to say something. Oh my god, I can't stand that phone. But yeah, that's the bassinet for the baby. It's in a neutral state right now because I don't know if it's a girl or a boy. And I have MC Command. But I don't wanna jinx myself. I wanna be surprised. So yeah. I cannot wait for this baby to get here. And I'm trying to make custom traits, and I have the tools to make custom traits. So I will be trying to do that soon. But for right now, let's go ahead and continue with the episode. Of course, I got the bassinet, I got the high chair, nothing too fancy, I'm just literally getting ready for this baby to be here and everything. And he made the apple pie. It's really crazy that he's a better cook than she is. So I'm feeling some type of way. But other than that, I'm just glad that he's finally catering to her needs. Because like during the first bout of this little pregnancy, she was throwing up some serious, and I got him to clean up the wait a minute, something stink? What stink? Oh, wait a minute. How you gonna get mad at the mess, but you made it? So yeah, so the last time we were here, before the baby came, there was a bar over here. And it wasn't really working out. Wait a minute. Who is that? No. That's Nancy? Girl, I know you lying. Nancy. And she really thinks she hot with that makeup? I'm done. She really thinks she hot with that makeup on. Seriously. Honestly, you think you hot with that makeup on. Seriously? Okay. Goodbye. But yeah, I'm going to try to give them a family home. I just wanted them to actually raise the child in this home first, and then I have a family home already set up. So once I get that family home ready, I'm actually going to get it from the gallery, and I'm going to put it in their lot so that way they don't have to really move, because I don't want to move them out to a whole new place and you know, continue from there. So his weed sales are doing pretty good. He has earned some money with his top customers. These are actually curing the Purple Haze, the OG Kush, and the AK-47. They are curing right now. And she does not like it when he makes a mess. So, of course, I know her. She's going to clean this up because she's just tired of him making a mess. But he got to keep the product moving, baby girl. He got to keep that product moving and everything. So, that's all she doing is cleaning. She doesn't touch it and everything. Oh, and let me show you. He felt the baby. Hold on. Let me see if I have it still. Because I know she was putting him through it and everything, but what you mean? You can't feel the baby right there? Oh my god. Hold on. Let me see. Should nothing be in y'all way.
Arabra?
Slap the coin.
What is that?
Eat a grant.
Kiniku Swarspa.
So
Risalek. New Beam Short.
I cannot wait for to have this baby. Hopefully the next episode
Kiss annoying water fish.
we will actually have the baby already.
Watanabe. Pifital Dimpish.
And hopefully she can actually oh yeah, take a picture together.
For Revopi.
Angie.
And y'all took a picture by the weed. Y'all took a picture by the marijuana. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I know I want him to actually grow his product, but eventually I'm going to have to actually get him to order some drugs off of the computer and everything. Hopefully she's going to go to use the bathroom. Oh, she really has to go. Oh, she has to go to the bathroom. Okay, I can't let y'all see that. But yeah, hopefully I can get him to order drugs off of Base Mental, and he can get it already packaged and cured, so that way he can start selling. Because all he's been doing down here is just growing it. So let me actually get him to do that right now, since he's on the computer. I could do it with him even if he's on the computer, but the only thing he's selling is weed. Okay, that's the only thing he's selling. Let's get about 4 bags each. I don't exceed over 4 bags. And then I might get him to do a drug deal. You know what? Let me add it up to 8. Because since we got money like that, why not? But yeah, I'm going to end the episode right here. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully the next time we see them, the baby will already be here. But until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell to be notified of all my videos. And there will be a new person that will be watching on this hustle along with them. So I will see you all next time. But until then, you already know. Peace.